some of the most important and fruitful defenses that a DUI lawyer can assert for their clients to help them?
Well, again, we don't create defenses. We don't make up facts. We don't suborn perjury. We deal with each case on a case-by-case basis. Each case is unique. Each client is a unique human being. Each police officer is different, and so on. And so we have to look into each of those cases and find where the weaknesses are, and there are always going to be weaknesses. There are always going to be holes in the DA's case. And it's our job to find those and hopefully find a lot of little ones or one big one or whatever with which we can bargain from a position of strength and have the ability to go to trial to back up our position. Now, in any given case, it might be a question of, like I said, GERD. Perhaps our client has a GERD condition. We'll bring a physician in to testify to that. It might be a question of tolerance on a DUI issue, and that this individual had high tolerance to alcohol. It might be any number of things. One common one, for example, see it over and over again, is mouth alcohol. Mouth alcohol refers to the phenomenon of the individual having alcohol in their mouth.
Okay.
Alcohol stays in the mouth for about 15 minutes after ingesting an alcoholic drink. It can stay for hours if there are other things present. For example, if you have periodontal disease, if you have false teeth, if you have things like bread stuck in your teeth, it has absorbed the alcohol and is keeping it. You can burp or belch alcohol from the stomach up into the mouth. Now, what does this mean? It means the alcohol is being breathed directly from the mouth into the machine, not from the lungs, but from the mouth or possibly the stomach. I told you earlier that that machine is multiplying the amount of alcohol it reads by 2,100 times because it assumes it's coming through the lungs, the blood. It's not. It's getting a straight shot of alcohol. So a very infinitesimally tiny, invisible amount of alcohol in the mouth can have a huge result. Multiplied 2,100 times, it doesn't take much alcohol to send that machine up pretty high.
Yeah, that's important to know.
And that may be a fact. That may be a defense in a given case.
Well, I've known people that were going to be pulled over, they get nervous, and they may get breath spray and spray their mouth, so they.
Yeah, most breath sprays, breath fresheners, gargling things, Listerine, whatever, are going to have alcohol in it, and that's mouth alcohol, and that's going to stay there. The worst possible time to take a breath freshener is just before you've been stopped, or as you're being stopped by a police officer.
Wow.
Because, yeah, you're going to be breathing that alcohol directly into the machine.